Okay, we're having this nice Olympic math question to solve for x. How can we solve this? Okay, let's apply the basic principle of indices and logarithm here. We know that we know that 9 can be expressed as what? 3 square. Okay, that will be 3 to the power 2 root x. Okay, because 9 is what? 3 square. And on the other side, we know that root of a is equals to what? A to the power half. Okay, therefore root of 27 to the power x is equals to what? 27 to the power x times half. Okay, that is what that will be equals to 27 to the power x times what? Half. Okay, proceeding with this point, we are going to move on to our what? A to this is equals to here. We know that 27 is what? 3 times 3 times 3, that will be what? 3 to the power that 3 to the power 2 root x is equals to what? 3 cube x times half. Okay, that is what we have at this point. Hence, at this point we can equate the part. Since we have the same base, we can equate the powers. Since a to the power m equals to a to the power n, we can, which implies that m is equals to n. That is typical. We are going to apply it to say 2 root x is equals to what? 3x times half, which implies that what? We can multiply by this one to have 4 root x is equals to what? 3x. At this point, you can square both sides. So as to remove this square root here, to have what? 16x is equals to what? 3 square is what? 9. 9x square. Okay, we can move on to have what? At this way, you can divide all through by x, stating that what? X is equals to 0. We'll just bring it, we can just bring everything here to have 16x minus 9x squared is equals to 0. Bringing out x, you have what? 16 minus 9x is equals to 0. Hence, x is equals to 0, or 16 minus 9x is equals to 0. Okay. At this point, you have 16 minus that, which implies 9x is equals to 16. Therefore, x is equals to what? 16 all over 9. And looking here, what can go? 16 over 9. We don't have any common factor here. Hence, our answer will remain at 16 over 9. Okay, let's try testing if this is the correct answer by replacing 16 over 9 in here. Okay, let's punch on the calculator. 9. Okay, root of 16 divided by 9. 9 to the power answer. Okay, that gives 18.72. 27 to the power 16 divided by 9. Square root of that 18.72. That means our answer x is equals to 16 all over 9. Or on the other case, if we put x equals to 0, we are going to have 9 to the power 0. Since it's 0, it will be equals to 1. Then 1 is equals to 1 automatically. That is the answer at this point. Okay, and that is the answer. Or else you can just punch it doing it yourself to prove it. You can just put 9, 16. The square root of 16 is 4, and the square root of 9 is 3. 4 over 3 is equals to what? 27 to the power of 16 all over 9 square root of that. Okay, so you find yourself having the same thing.